Mabuhay! I am Daniling C. Sanchez from BSTM1. I'm from Group 4 and I'm here to present the Illinois State. So ano nga bang meron sa Illinois? Saan nga ba siya nakilala at saan nga ba siya nakalocate? So let's start and let's dive in. Illinois in the United States is a Midwestern state. It is well known for Chicago at may malaki din siyang populasyon. Mayaman din sila sa agriculture. Regardless of your interest in history, the outdoors or the city, Illinois has a lot to offer. Like the Millennium Park in the Chicago is one of the Illinois' most visited tourist destinations. The spectacular architecture of this mosey location, which include the well-known Cloud Gate sculpture, popularly known as the Bean, is one of its highlights. One of Illinois' best-known natural resources is the fertile soil. So, hindi lang dyan nakilala ang Illinois. Ang Illinois daw ay pang 21 states sa United States. Then, ang pinakamalaking lungsod naman dito ay ang Chicago. Kung familiar kayo sa Chicago Bulls basketball team, diyan sila nag-start at nanggaling. Isa sila sa sikat na basketball team sa buong mundo. Isa ito sa mga mahalagang lugar noong digmaang sibil at naging tahanan ng dating Pangulo na si Abraham Lincoln. Makikita din dito ang isa sa pinakamataas na gusali, ang Willis Tower or dating Sears Tower. Isa sa pinakamataas na gusali sa buong mundo. Nandito rin ang sikat na Millennium Park kung saan matatagpuan ang tanyag na The Bean or Cloud Gate. Sa agriculture naman, mayaman sila sa produksyon ng mais at soybeans. So when it comes naman sa tourist destination, they have the most two famous tourist spot, which is the Art Institute of Chicago. And I have one example and famous art here, which is the Night Hawks by Edward Hopper noong 1942. A painting that depicts a dinner at night with 3 customers inside, capturing the sense of isolation and loneliness. If makikita nyo tong spacing, ayan, may bawat spacing niya, nagpapakita ito ng isolation and loneliness ng nag-iisang lalaki. Ayan. So, the next is the Millennium Park. Ito na yung tinatawag na the Bean or the Cloud Gate. So, saan nga ba nag-start yung idea? Bakit siya ginawang ganyan? Ang nakaisip niyan ay si Mayor Richard N. DeLay had the idea of Millennium Park because his office in Michigan Avenue overlooked the parking lot and railroad station. Sinimulan to noong 1998 at inopen naman sa public noong July 16, 2004. Nevada is bordered by Utah in the east, Arizona in the southeast, California in the west, and Oregon and Idaho in the north. The capital of Nevada is the Carson City. Nevada is the driest state in the U.S. and most of the state is deserted. Las Vegas is the biggest city in Nevada. You can visit the vibrant Las Vegas Strip for entertainment and nightlife. Explore the natural beauty of Red Rock and Lake Tahoe. So, ano pa bang meron sa Nevada? Ang Nevada ay may halo-halong kultura dahil sa kasaysayan at sa iba't ibang lahi ng mga naninirahan dito. Makikita ang impluwensya ng mga Western, kagaya ng cowboy, katutubong Amerikano at mga Latino. Sa mga probinsya, malakas ang kultura ng pagmimina at kabukiran, habang sa mga lungsod tulad ng Las Vegas at Reno, moderno at mas makulay ang pamumuhay. Hindi lang yan, nakilala din ang mga tao sa Nevada sa pagiging bukas ang isipan at pagpapahalaga sa kalayaan ng bawat isa. Kaya mas maluwag ang ilang batas dito tulad ng legal na pagsusugal at ilang uri ng libangan para sa mga matatanda. Nakilala rin ang Nevada sa mga malalaking building at sikat na mga building kagaya ng Caesar Palace. At ang kilalang city ay ang Las Vegas, sikat sa buong mundo dahil sa mga casino at mga palabas or entertainment live. Dito rin matatagpuan ang Area 51, isang sikretong base militar na madalas ikinakabit sa mga UFO, mga disyerto at kalikasan tulad ng Mojave Desert, Lake Tahoe at Red Rock Canyon. So, pagdating naman sa tourist spot sa Nevada, I have two famous tourist spots, which is the Red Rock Canyon and the Las Vegas. When it comes sa Red Rock Canyon, or National Conservation Area, offers hiking, rock climbing, and 13-mile scenic drive, known for its dynamic red rock sandstone or nations. Ang may hawak sa kanila ay ang Bureau of Flood Management sa US. So when it comes naman sa Las Vegas, most famous city known for its vibrant nightlife, luxury casinos and entertainment shows, and lavish resort. Nakilala din sila bilang sa the entertainment capital of the world. One of the example is the Caesar Palace. So next is the Indiana State. Indiana, fondly called the land of Indians. The capital is the Indianapolis, which is also largest in terms of land area and population. This state has one of the richest limestone deposit on earth that helped construct the Empire State Building in the US, Holocaust Memorial Museum, the Pentagon, and many more. The famous places to visit in Indiana are the Snite Museums Art, Notre Dame, Prophetstown State Park, Ethel George Museum of American Indiana. So ano pa bang meron or sikat na basketball team and famous tourist destination sa Indiana? So ano nga bang meron sa Indiana States? Ito na nga. Ang Indiana ay nakolocated sa heart of the American Midwest. It's a state rich in tradition, natural beauty, and warm hospitality. Hindi lang Pilipinas ang merong warm hospitality, kundi ang Indiana rin. Known as the Hoosier State, its culture reflects strong Midwestern values, hard work, community, and a deep appreciation for sports, especially sa basketball. So, ano nga ba ang history or story kung bakit tinawag ang Indiana na the Hoosier State? Is unclear, but it has been used since the early 80s. Pero yung iba naniniwala sila na nagaling ito sa frontier slang word na meaning na country ball. Isa sa mga kilalang basketball team ang Indiana Pacers, na si Reggie Miller, nakilala siya as legendary shooter and Hall of Famer. When it comes sa faith naman at paniniwala nila, faith plays a significant role in Indiana's communities, with Christianity being the predominant religion. Churches often serve as community hubs, hosting events, and supporting local families. So when it comes naman sa tourist spot in Indiana, I have two, which is the Notre Dame Stadium and the Indianapolis. Yung Notre Dame Stadium, inopen siya sa public noong October 4, 1930 at the College Football Stadium with 80,000 plus seats. While dito naman sa Indianapolis Zoo, in-establish siya noong 1964 at George Washington Park. Inopen naman siya sa public noong June 11, 1988. Massachusetts, located in the heart of New England, and also known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse attraction. As one of the original 13 colonies, Massachusetts played a central role in the birth of the United States. Today, it continues to be a hub of education, innovation, and tourism. The capital city is the Boston. The islands of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket are popular summer destinations, known for their scenic beauty and kind coastal charm. So ano pa bang meron? Or may magaganda ding naidulot ang Massachusetts sa American history and culture. It's known as the Cradle of Liberty because of its key role in the American Revolution, with sister sites in Boston like the Freedom Trail and Boston Tea Partnership. Based in my research, ang meaning daw ng Cradle of Liberty ay tumutukoy sa Boston, Massachusetts, at binibigyang diin ang mahalagang papel ng lungsod sa Rebolusyon ng Amerikano at pakikibaka para sa kalayaan mula sa pamumuno ng Britanya. When it comes to culture, Massachusetts blends traditional and innovation, home to top universities like the Harvard and MIT, as well as strong roots in arts, sports, and maritime life. People value education, civic engagement, and progressive ideas. Hindi lang yan, ang Massachusetts also known for healthcare and technology, a leader in biotech, life sciences, and medical research. Ang pangunahin naman na produkto ang cranberries. Massachusetts is one of the top cranberry producer in the US. When it comes sa mga tourist spots sa Massachusetts, I have two tourist destinations, which is the Boston Common and the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. So, first is the Boston Common, oldest park siya sa America and also known as the Soldiers and Sailors Monument, symbolizing the dedication to those who served in the Civil War. And the second is the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. One of the most famous art is the Slave Ship by J.M.W. Turner noong 1840.